wildcats. I just love them cats. I love them cats. Yuckity! We're going over Jellico Mountain. We'll be going down into Jellico in about 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Then we'll be at the Kentucky state line. My old Kentucky home. We're on top of Jellico Mountain right now. We'll be coming up here soon for the Rarity Mountain. Then we'll drop down into Jellico. You can see we're up on top of a mountain. Like a roller coaster, we climbed up one side, now we're on the flat top part, and we'll be going down here in just a few minutes. Yuckity. Rarity Mountain Road coming up in 1 mile. The road to nowhere. I don't know if somebody got a huge kickback on a construction job, but it's like you build a beautiful staircase up to your attic. When you get there, there's nothing there. Look at this beautiful bridge they've constructed and ramps to nowhere. And all that does over there, you can turn around. Maybe they put it in there for public safety, I don't know. But the road, these ramps, they go nowhere. You're up here on this mountain. You go up one ramp and down the other. There is a cell tower up there, but that's about it. Okay, we went up the mountain. Now we'll go down it. Hang on, kids. Do you want to go faster? Yes, we do. You want to go really, really fast? Yes, we do. Folks, down Jellico Mountain to Jellico. So now we're down Jellico Mountain. We're heading northbound on I-75. 100 and some miles from Lexington, Kentucky. Home of them wildcats. I just love them cats. I love them cats.